Okay, I have my 2007 Ford Edge here today. We're going to be showing you how easy it is to replace the antenna up here. And as you can see, the condition of this, it really doesn't look good. And it's just all kind of coming apart here. And the first thing you want to do is get you a tape measure here and figure out how long of an antenna you're going to need. Okay, so you're going to need some kind of step to get up here to get to this. And so we're just going to take a tape measure and we'll figure out what the length of this is approximately. Okay, so a lot of this is kind of broken off, but as we measure, we're getting about close to 11 inches there. So that is the length of the antenna that you're going to want to order. Okay, you can see I already got one here that I've ordered, and it's not really vehicle specific. The only thing that's important is that it has this threaded end like this has got here. And I mean, they're pretty common, they're pretty universal, so they're all going to be pretty much the same, as you can see there. And this just kind of covers this boot. So the next thing we need to do is just go ahead and get this old one removed here. And now for that, you're just going to need get you either a little crescent or a pair of pliers, and just turn this counterclockwise here. And it shouldn't take a whole lot to get it loose. And this is even kind of bent a little bit. And you can see that it just has some threads, just like this one. So these are all universal, and even though it's made a little different, these will all thread on here as long as those threads are the same there. So we're just going to go ahead and work on getting this back on here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to thread this in by hand. Now you could put some Loctite if you would like, but usually just tightening these down by hand is all it takes. And that's already feeling pretty tight right there. That is not going to come off. And there we go. And you can see how much better that right there looks. Okay, and I will leave a link to this where I got this. I don't believe it was much. I want to say like maybe $3 or $4. And I ordered this from eBay. You can see it looks really nice. And just sometimes, like I said, the little things that make a big difference, you know, as far as, you know, the cosmetics go. So anyways, that was just a real easy project. Said you'll only spend like maybe $3 or $4 replacing this, and not only will it look better, but it may possibly even work better as well. Alright, and that's going to do it for this video on this 2007 Ford Edge. And if you found it helpful, please give the video a like. As always, I invite you to subscribe, and thanks for watching.